Guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Visual Studio Redistributable C++ 2019 on Ubuntu operating system. So first, downloading there. So for this one, you go Google search box right there, Visual Studio Redistributable. Then go on this Microsoft.com site. Then you can get this page. Scroll down. You can get there 19, 15, 13, 5. So here, this is now downloading this one, redistributable. Let's click on this x64. So here you can see the file is now downloading, total size 17 MB. So this done. Let's click on this sign folder. And this you can see there. After that, the next is here, right click, then open in terminal. Open in terminal, and let's increase the size a little bit. So here, this you can see there. So if I write wine minus minus version, so you can see wine version that 10 that already installed. So with the help of this wine that I'm going to install there, VC redistributable. So let's use the clear command. Now right click, rename, selecting this all, and paste there. Then after write this wine. Press enter. So here you can see. So this you can see 1 second. Visual Studio C++ redistributable, that's come there. I agree, click on this install. Setup successful. Now that's done. So command completed, there is no any problem. So if error that related with the distributor that will come, so it won't. And this is how we can install this Visual Studio Redistributable. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.